So what's up, people? Today I'm doing a Cooking with LJ episode, and I know I ain't done one in a while, but it's about time to get back in the kitchen. You already saw the ingredients. Oh, I'm just gonna go on and tell you I'm making Rice Krispy treats. Y'all ready for this? Welcome back, man. Cooking with LJ. We're making Rice Krispy treats. I'm excited. So, the first thing I gotta do is melt the butter. It's been a long time coming. I haven't done a Cooking with LJ in a long time. My bad, I was doing other stuff. If y'all haven't checked out my channel lately, for the month of February, Black History Month, aka American History Month, I have videos up, have story times up, have gameplay up. Check me out. We're gonna have a couple more of these Cooking with LJ videos coming in the future. As a child, this is one of those treats that we had growing up, but my mom never made it with us, or she never made it for us. We always bought this one from the store. My mom used to bake cakes. She used to bake pies. She still bake cakes and pies. She could make other sweets, cobblers, but Rice Krispy treats, no, this is the first time. Now that this butter has melted, I have to put it in the marshmallows. Learning from experience, I'm gonna go little by little, because you have to melt all of these marshmallows before you go on to the next step. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I was nervous. I'm nervous now. I don't want to mess nothing up, but I really thought it was more to this, which it is, you know. You add your flavors. There's a lot of things you can do with Rice Krispy treats. Alright, it's nice and melted. Got it on. Here's the dreaded mixer. Now, last time I did this, I put the whole thing in there. Experience has taught me, little by little. Oh man, this ain't good. Sometimes that's the worst part of cooking. Cleaning up. How come every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen, trying to cook? I miss John Weatherspoon. That dude is super funny. He's one of the few actors that every role he did, he somehow, some way, he made it memorable. Yeah. Oh man, I should have did this last time. It's so much easier than the way I did it. So what I'm doing is pressing it down. You try to make it even as possible. I was looking for another ingredient, but I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna go with the sprinkles you saw at the beginning of the video. And sprinkle the whole Rice Krispy treat. At the end, you can cut it in squares or however you want to do it to serve it. I'm gonna add chocolate to one side. It's a little too much. There we go. Yo, so I finished those Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna eat them after dinner. But I know my mom. She don't come up here and touch them when I'm gone. All right, Mom. Gonna eat that after dinner, please. Don't take no taste testing. Okay.
So that's our dessert for today.
Yes, ma'am. That's our dessert. All right. I gotta go. I'll be back.
All right. Let me see if he anywhere around. He gone. I got his after dinner. I'm the taste testing mama. Just a little piece of this too. Comments over there. This is really good.